Revision. Hello children, in chapter 1, let's revise what we have learned in the previous classes. Let's complete the exercise. Write the Hindu Arabic numerals for the following Roman numbers. LXI is 50 plus 10 plus 1, which is 61. XXIV is 20 plus 4, 24. XL is 40. LXVI is 50 plus 10 plus 6, 66. XCVI is 90 plus 6 is 96. Next, write the Roman numerals for each of the following Hindu Arabic numerals. Let me split this. 18 is 10 plus 8. 10 is X and 8 is VIII. Therefore, the Roman numeral is XVIII. Next is 26. 26 is 20 plus 6, that is XX plus VI. XXVI. 33 is 30 plus 3, XXX plus III. Therefore, the Roman numeral is XXXIII. 39 is 30 plus 9, XXX plus IX. So it is XXXIX. Observe the commas and write the number names. The first one is start counting from unit from ones place to understand where it stands. Units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and lakhs. Therefore, the number is 7,29,005. Next one is 39,096. Next, 5,82,907. Next number is 50,32,007. Express the following numbers in figures, placing the commas at the right places. 63,04,201 can be written as 63, 24, 201. 1,23,502 can be written as 1, 23, 502. 40 lakh and 40 can be written as 40, 00, 040. Write the numbers in expanded form. First number is 52,10,853. It can be written as 50 lakhs plus 2 lakhs plus 10,000 plus 800 plus 50 plus 3. Next number is 93,85,702. Expanded form is 90 lakhs plus 3 lakhs plus 80,000 plus 5,000 plus 400 plus 20 plus 3. Next number is 34,75,817. Expanded form is 30 lakhs plus 4 lakhs plus 70,000 plus 5,000 plus 800 plus 10 plus 7. Write the numbers in short form. 80 lakhs plus 3,000 plus 700 plus 50 plus 4 can be written as 80 lakhs 3,754. Similarly, 10 lakhs plus 4 lakhs plus 60,000 plus 4,000 plus 500 plus 40 plus 6 becomes 14 lakhs 64,546. Compare the numbers using greater than, less than or equal to sign. In the first number, if you see 42,89,345 is less than 42,89,543. In next number, 8 is greater than 7. Therefore, 88,88,887 is greater than 77,77,778. Write the numbers in ascending order. When you see the first 4 digits of all the numbers is same, Hence, let's compare the last three numbers 9, 5, 9 and 2. Since 2 is the lowest number, the first number in the ascending is 42,85,259. Now, let's compare the other three numbers 9, 5 and 9. Since 5 is less, the next number will be 42,85,529. In the remaining two numbers, since 9 is common, let's compare the last two numbers 2 and 5. Since 2 is less than 5, the next number in the order is 42,85,925 and the last number is 42,85,952. In the next sequence given, we see that the first two numbers are same for all the numbers. Let's compare the third number 1, 2, 1 and 4. Since we have one common, let's compare the next number 1 and 0. Since 0 is less than 1, the first number in the sequence becomes 11,10,321 and the next number is 11,11,321. In the remaining two numbers, 2 is less than 4, therefore the next number in sequence will be 11,21,321 and the last number is 11,41,321. Next, write the numbers in descending order. Starting from the numbers which is nearest to 0 is ascending order. Descending order means writing from the numbers which are farthest from the 0 is descending order. In the given numbers, we notice that first three digits are not same. So let's start from the first number 3, 3, 7, 7. Since two of the numbers have the highest number, let's compare the next number 3, 3. Since both are same, let's go to the third number 8 and 5. Since 8 is greater than 5, the first number in the sequence is 73,85,342 and the next number is 73,58,342. In the remaining two numbers, the third number is 8 and 5. Since 8 is greater than 5, the number will be 37,85,432 and 37,58,342. In the next sequence, we notice that first two numbers are same and the third numbers are 0, 1, 0 and 0. Since only one number has 1, the first number in the sequence will be 10,10,101. Let's look at the fourth number 0, 1, 0. Since only one number has the highest number, the next number would be 10,01,101. Now we see that the fourth number is same for both the remaining numbers. And let's compare the fifth number 0 and 1. Since 1 is greater than 0, the next number will be 10,100,000 and the last number in the sequence will be 10,10,000. Write the place value and face value of each digit in A347. The place value of 8 in A347 is 8,000. The place value of 3 in A347 is 300. Place value of 4 is 40. Place value of 7 is 7. Find the difference between the place values of two 7s in 7875. Place value of 7 of the first 7 in 7875 is 7,000 and the second 7 is 70. The difference will be 7,000 minus 70, which is 6930. Find the difference between the place values of 3 in 5396 and 5 in 7952. Place value of 3 is 300 in 5396 and 5 is 50 in 7952. So the difference is 300 minus 50, which is 250. Add or subtract the following as per the signs given. Start from the ones and start adding. 9 plus 0 is 9. 7 plus 8 is 15. 1 plus 9 plus 7 is 17. 1 plus 9 plus 5 is 15. 1 plus 2 plus 5 is 8. Total is 85,759. The next number 8 plus 8 is 16. 1 plus 9 is 10. 1 plus 9 plus 7 is 17. 1 plus 9 is 10. 1 plus 1 is 2. The total is 20,706. Let's look at one subtraction example. Start from ones. 9 minus 8 is 1. Since 5 is less than 9 on tens, carry 1 from hundreds. So 1 becomes 0 and 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 9 is 6. Since 0 is less than 4, carry 1 from thousands place. 6 becomes 5 and 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. Since 5 is less than 9, carry 1 from 10,000 place. 1 becomes 0 and 5 becomes 15. 9 minus 15 is 6. Therefore, the number is 6,661. Let's look at another subtraction. Start from zeros. Since 0 is less than 1, carry 1 from tens place. 3 becomes 2. 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. Since 2 is less than 9, carry 1 from 100. 8 becomes 7 and 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 9 is 3. Since 7 is less than 8, carry 1 from 10,000's place. 7 becomes 6 and 7 becomes 17. 17 minus 8 is 9. Since 6 is less than 9, carry 1 from 10,000's place. 7 becomes 6 and 6 becomes 16. 16 minus 9 is 7. 6 minus 2 is 4. Therefore, the number we got is 47,939. Let's look at the next question. In a certain area in Chennai, a newspaper agent delivers 12,235 English, 15,652 Tamil, and 8,743 Telugu newspapers each day. How many newspapers does he deliver in all in a day? Please add all the three numbers. The answer is 36,630. A candidate won an election by beating his nearest rival by 24,541 votes. If the candidate received 63,198 votes, how many votes did his rival? The answer would be the subtraction of 63,198 minus 24,541. And the answer is 38,657. Next question. The sum of two numbers is 5,70,892. If one of them is 70,291, then find the other. 70,291 is 5,70,892. The subtraction of these two numbers. The answer is 5,601. Fill in the placeholders. 68,504 multiplied by 10. Any number multiplied by 10 is the number becomes 6,85,040. Next, 79029 multiplied by 100. When we are multiplying by 100, the answer is 7902900. Next, find the product in each of the following. Let's see one example. Let's start from 5. 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. 5 nines is 45 plus 2 is 47. 5 nines 45 plus 4 is 49. 5 twos is 10 plus 4 is 14. Now let's multiply by 4s. 4 fours is 16. 4 nines 36 plus 1 is 37. 4 nines 36 plus 3 is 39. 4 twos is 12 plus 3 is 15. Add the two numbers to get the final product. The number you get is 134,730. Next question is, Ramu receives about 24 calls on his mobile per day. What would be the number of calls he would get in the months of June and July? So number of days we have in June is 30 and number of days in July is 31 and the number of calls he gets in month of June and July. Please find the sum of these products. The answer you should get is 1464. Next question. A bag contains 79 kg of rice. Find the weight of 876 such bags. The answer will be 876 multiplied by 79. The answer is 69,204. Next, divide by long division method. Find the quotient and the remainder. Write the numbers in the format and start dividing. Since 7 is less than 16, take 76. 16 fours, 64. 76 minus 64 is 1, 2. Bring down 5, 125. 16 sevens is 112. 125 minus 112 is 13. Therefore, the quotient is 47 and remainder is 13. An automobile factory produces 868 cars in 62 days. How many cars are produced in a day? So, number of cars produced in a day will be 868 divided by 62. Please do the division and find the answer. List all the factors of the given numbers. First one is 52. 52 is 1 times 52, 2 times 26, 4 times 13, also 13 times 4, 26 times 2 and 52 times 1. Therefore, factors of 52 are 1, 2, 4, 13, 26 and 52. Let's see another example. 125. 125 is 1 times 125, 5 times 25, 25 times 5 and 125 times 1. Therefore, factors of 125 are 1, 5, 25 and 125. Next question. Write the first 4 multiples of 6. 6 multiplied by 1 is 6. 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. 6 multiplied by 3 is 18. And 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. Next one. Circle the prime numbers. To start off with, encircle the prime numbers. The prime numbers in this list are 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47. Next one. Find the HCF of 24 and 50. HCF stands for highest common factor. Factors of 24. 24 is 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, 4 times 6. Therefore, factors of 24 are 6, 8, 12 and 24. Now let's see factors of 50. 50 is 1 times 50, 2 times 25, 5 times 10, 10 times 5. Therefore, factors are: find the LCM of 12 and 18. LCM stands for least common multiple. Multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48 and so on. Multiples of 18 are 18, 36 and so on. You find a common number 36 here. Hence, the least common multiples of 12 and 18 is 36. Fill in the missing numerals. 4 by 18 is 12 by what? Consider the number as x. Consider the number to be found as x. Therefore, 4x is equal to 12 multiplied by 18. X will be 12 multiplied by 18 divided by 4. Therefore, x is 54. Find an equivalent fraction of 60 by 140 with numerator 20. This can be written as 60 by 140 is equal to 20 by x. Hence 60 multiplied by x is equal to 140 into 20. X will be 140 into 20 divided by 60. Therefore, the equivalent number is 70. Therefore, the equivalent fraction is 30 divided by 70. Convert the improper fractions into mixed numbers. The number is 47 by 5. Let's divide 47 by 5. 5 nines 45 and remainder is 2. Therefore, the mixed number is 9, 2 by 5. Write the fractions in ascending order. Here we notice that the descending number is same for all the numbers. Hence, we arrange them in ascending order based on the numerator. 4 by 23 is less than 7 by 23 is less than 12 by 23 is less than 13 by 23 is less than 28 by 23 is less than 31 by 23. Find the sum or difference. Simplify your answer if possible. First one, we notice that the denominator is same. Hence, this can be represented as 3 plus 4 plus 5 divided by 15, which is 8 by 15. Let's see another example for subtraction. 22 by 25 minus 9 by 25. This can be written as 22 minus 9 by 25, which is 13 by 25. Next question. Vinay filled 1/4 of a glass with fruit juice concentrate and 2/4 with water. Which part of the glass is filled? Which part is empty? That means we need to first find the addition of these fractions. That becomes 1 plus 2 by 4, which is 3 by 4, which means 3/4 of the glass is filled and 1/4 is empty. Let's look at another example. Express each of the following fractions as a decimal. 4 by 10, 10 by 4. Since there is nothing, we take a dot and 0. 10/4 is 40 and remainder is 0. Therefore, the decimal number is 0.4. Next one. Express each of the following as a fraction. 0.7 can be represented as 7 by, since there is one digit after dot, it becomes 10. That is 7 by 10. Let's see another example. 0.25 means 25 divided by, since there are two numbers, we have two zeros after 1. If we simplify this, it becomes 1 by 4. Add or subtract the following. Let's see the first example. 9 plus 6 is 15. Carry 1 and write 5 in one's place. 1 plus 8 is 9. 0 plus 8 is 8. 9 plus 6 is 15. Carry 1 and write 5. 1 plus 3 plus 5 is 9. The sum is 958.95. The price of one hockey stick is 276.75. What is the cost of 12 such hockey sticks? The answer would be 276.75 multiplied by 12, which is 3321. Convert the following. 5 kgs 750 grams into how many grams? The answer would be 5 kgs plus 750 grams. We know that 1 kg is 1000 grams. So 5 kg can be represented as 5 multiplied by 1000 plus 750. That is 5000 plus 750. That is 5750 grams. Next one. Babita's baby sister weighed 3 kgs 250 grams at birth. After a month, she was found to be 4 kgs 175 grams. How much weight she gained in a month? The answer would be the subtraction of 3 kg 250 grams from 4 kg 175 grams. That is 925 grams. Which of the following figures are polygons? We know that polygon is a figure made up of line segments. In the given figures, we see that the first one is a circle and do not have any lines. So it's not a polygon. The next one is a triangle and it has shapes. Hence it's a polygon. And the other shape is a rectangle and it also has lines. It is also a polygon. Next question. Fill in the blanks. A dash has no length, breadth or thickness. We know that a point has no length, breadth or thickness. A dash has no end point. That is a line. A line has no end point. Next one. Dash is the longest chord of a circle. Diameter is the longest chord of a circle. Next one. Draw line segments of the following parts. AB is 7.3 cm. Take a pencil and start marking from 0 to 7.3 cm and draw a line. Next question. Draw a circle with center 0 and radius 4.8 cm. Draw a radius and a diameter. Name them and write their lengths. Start with a center, mark 4.8 centimeters on your scale and draw a circle. Give the name to center as 0. Draw the radius and also take the diameter. Diameter will be 2 times radius, hence it is 4.8 into 2, which is 5.6. Find the perimeter of each of the following figures. The first one is a rectangle, length is 10 centimeters and breadth is 4 centimeters. The formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times length plus width, that is 2 times 10 plus 4, that is 14, 2 times which is 28. Therefore, perimeter of the rectangle is 28. The next one is a pentagon. The perimeter of a pentagon is the sum of all the sides together, that is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, which is 15. The next number is a triangle. The perimeter of a triangle is the sum of all the numbers, the sum of all the sides, which is 6 plus 8 here, that is 20. Next question. What time is it? 1 hour 15 minutes after 9:20 p.m. 9:20 p.m. means 9 hours 20 minutes. Just add 1 hour 20 minutes to it. You get 10:40. So the time will be 10:40 p.m. Next question. What time is it? 45 minutes before 11 a.m. 11 a.m. means 11 hours 00 minutes. Now, subtract 45 minutes, 0 hours, 45 minutes from the value. You get 10:15 a.m. Next question. Ashish started his homework at 10:15 a.m. He finished his homework at 12:15 p.m. How much time did he take to complete his work? The answer would be the difference of 12 hours 15 minutes and 10:15. That is 2 hours. Which of the following are leap years? You can find a number is leap year or not by dividing it with 365. If the remainder is 0, then it's not a leap year. If the remainder is 1, that means it's a leap year. By doing so, we find that 1977 is not a leap year, 1966 is a leap year, 2006 is not a leap year, and 2012 is a leap year. Next question. Divide and check your answer. Let's see one example. 360973 divided by 42. So start dividing 42 from 360 and continue forward to find the number. Repeat this for all the numbers and find the division. Make sure you do the verification. That is, divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend. Next question. A girl knits 718 stitches. If there are 25 stitches in each row of knitting, how many complete rows did she knit? The answer would be 718 divided by 25, which is 28. Next question. Which is more, 800 or 880 minus 81? 880 minus 81 is 799. Therefore, 800 is greater than 799. Which sign greater than or less than will you put in the following? 550 divided by 11 is greater than or less than 6 nines. 6 nines means 6 multiplied by 9, which is 54. Let's do 550 divided by 11 is 50. Therefore, 50 is less than 54. That means 550 divided by 11 is less than 6 nines. Next question. The price of a television costing 28,950 is reduced by 3,750 rupees. What is the new price? The new price would be 28,950 minus 3,750, which is 25,200. Rewrite the digits in columns using the place value and add. The first number is 2458 plus 6030. Let's start with 2458. And let's start from the ones place. The place value of 8 is 8. The place value of 5 is 50 since it's in tens place. The place value of 4 is 400 since it's in hundreds place. And place value of 2 is 2000 since it's in thousands place. Similarly, for 6030, place value of 0 is 0, place value of 3 is 30, place value of 0 is 0, and place value of 6 is 6000. Now, the total sum would be 2000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 8 plus 6000 plus 30. After adding all the numbers, the answer will be 8448. Next question, fill in the blanks. You need to ideally sum two numbers which are having few blocks to get the output as the given number below. The first number is 6 and the second number. So start from 6 in the number chart and keep going to the numbers where you can see 3 in the ones place. You see 13. So ideally you need to add from 6 to 13, there are 7 digits. So the blank would be 7 while 6 plus 7 will be 13 and 1 is carry forwarded and 3 remains in the ones place. Now in tens place you will have 1 plus 5, 6 and count the numbers or look at the number chart where you can see 1 in the ones place. So the number could be 11. So from 6 you need to count 5 numbers to get 11. So the blank is 5 and 1 is carried forward. Now you have 5 where 1 plus 4 is 5 and to get 0 the number has to be 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 0 is written on the hundreds place and 1 is carried forward. So 1 plus 8 is 9 and the nearest number to get 2 in ones place is 12. So the number to be added will be 3. Since 9 plus 3 is 12, 1 is carried forward. So 1 plus 2 is 3 and to get 8, the number in the block has to be 5. Next is multiplication. Let's see one example. 4386 multiplied by 72. First, we need to write the numbers in their column form. Start multiplying from the ones place. So that means 2, 6 is 12. Carry forward 1 and write 2. 2, 8 is 16 plus 1 is 17. So write 7 and carry 1. 2, 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. And 2 4s is 8. Now start multiplying with 7. 7 6 42. So write 2, 4 is carried forward. 7 8 56 plus 4 will be 60. Carry 6 and write 0. 7 3 is 21 plus 6 would be 27. Write 7 and carry 2. 7 4 is 28 and plus 2 will be 20. And now add both the numbers. The answer you will get is 315792. Next one, fill in the blanks. 2 multiplied by 1000. When a number is multiplied with 1000, the answer will be 2000 here. Let's see another example. 42 multiplied by 20 will be 42 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 10. 42 multiplied by 2 is 84 and multiplied by 10, the answer would be a 0 to the number, which is 840. Divide and check your answer. Let's see one example. 9498 divided by 36. Now arrange the numbers in the format and start doing the division. Let's start with 9. Since 9 is less than 36, we take 94. 36 2's is 72, which is the nearest number. So write 2 and subtract by 72. You get 22 and carry 9 below. Next, 36 6 is 216, which is the best number. So divide 229 with 216. You get remainder 13 and pull 8 down. 36 3's is 108, where you get 30, which will be the remainder, and the quotient will be 263. Fill in the blanks. 83101 divided by 10. We know that when we are dividing a number with 1 followed by zeros, remainder would be 1 and quotient will be the rest of the numbers, which is 8310. Next question. Solve. Keep the steps of problem solving in mind. The odometer of a van showed 62,453 kilometers in September. After 3 months, it showed 91,067 kilometers in November. It had done 19,833 kilometers in September and October. Let's see next question. The Moonrise printed 42,860 copies of a magazine in a year. Of these, 37,855 copies were distributed. How many were not distributed? So the answer would be subtracting 37,855 from 42,860. The answer has to be. Next question. A school needs 29,610 pencils in a year. How many boxes of 30 must the school buy? A store had 30 boxes of dolls and 35 boxes of teddy bears. Each box holds 28 toys. How many toys did the store have in all? Mr. Negi had 3,25,936 to buy a new car. He borrowed 27,900. How much did the car cost? Next, Rakesh won 65 tournaments. The prize money totaled up to 3,25,000. If he received the same amount at every tournament, how much did he earn per tournament?